Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to link your Solana wallet to your GetGrass extension so that you will be able to receive the airdrop and any future rewards that you earn on a daily basis from this project. I will also be showing you how to set up your very own community node, letting you earn an extra 25% daily. Let's get this crypto. Now, if you have no idea what GetGrass is, I suggest you check out some of my previous videos I have made on this project, or you can check this small video that I grabbed from their website. It's a very short video, only 1 minute and 30 seconds long, and it explains the whole project perfectly. So roll the clip.
Everyone is looking for a source of passive income these days. What if all it took was an internet connection? Like most people, you probably use a fraction of the internet bandwidth you pay for each month. Now you can sell the parts you don't use with Grass, an innovative solution that transforms your idle internet connection into a profitable resource. But how does it work? Grass is what's known as a residential proxy network, where vetted institutions and Fortune 500 companies can rent idle internet connections to access the web. You see, every time you connect to the internet, you provide a unique location-based perspective. This perspective is essential for companies trying to better understand the web, and this is what Grass monetizes for you. Consider company A wants to sell a stereo at the lowest price. To do this, they need to know what their competitor is charging at company B. Using Grass, company A looks at company B's website to check out their price and then offers an even better price to their customers. By providing this service, your internet connection can become a source of passive income, turning an idle resource into an active asset. With Grass, every gigabyte of internet you sell earns you rewards. These aren't just rewards, they're your stake in this growing network. The more your computer stays connected and the more friends you refer, the more your rewards multiply. Start your journey to passive income with Grass. Join the community and let's all start earning with Grass.
So yeah, this is definitely a very cool project that lets you earn actual passive income from just running the application in the background of your computer while you are doing other stuff like browsing, gaming, or whatever. Now, so of course the first step to start earning the GetGrass token is that you have to be invited to this project. I will leave my invite link in the description and in the comment section down below. You simply just click that link. It will take you to a sign up page just like this, where you fill out your email, username, password, you agree to the terms and conditions, do the reCAPTCHA and register. After downloading their browser extension, you can head on over to it. It looks like this. You click on it, and as you can see, I'm connected with a network quality of 75%, and from here I can open my dashboard, and bada bing bada boom, we are in. Now, after you have your GetGrass.io browser extension set up, one thing that is very important is that you make sure that you have a uptime of at least 90 hours so that you qualify for the airdrop. As you can see, I have 11 referrals, but I also have 4 pending referrals. This means that these 4 people have not had their GetGrass.io online for at least 90 hours, so unfortunately they will miss out on the airdrop. Okay, so now for the next step. You can now connect your Solana wallet to Grass on the rewards page. Resource usage will be tracked to your wallet address as we step into the next chapter of decentralizing the network. So we are going to do that. As you can see, I joined in February or March sometime, and I have been earning points ever since then. Now these points will be sent to my Solana wallet when the airdrop goes live, and I can cash these points out for real money. Let's get this crypto. As you can see, I have already gone through the process, but fortunately for you, I recorded it. So this is how you do it if you are doing it for the first time. Let's go! So the first step is to head over to our rewards page and verify your email address. I have already done this, so we are going to connect our wallet. I'm using a Phantom wallet, so I'm gonna connect that. It asks us if we use a ledger. I do not have it for my Phantom wallet, so I'm not gonna click on that. Now we verify and wait for the wallet app to verify. Awesome, we click confirm, and now we have to confirm our wallet in our email. So we click on start, send verification link, check your email. It might take a minute or two for the email to come through, but as you can see, for me it pretty much came immediately. Now we verify our wallet address. Wallet successfully verified. Awesome. Now, as you can see, it still says confirm wallet in email. Don't worry about this. All you need to do is just refresh the page or wait a few minutes, and you can see that your wallet has been verified. Super easy, super simple. Even my grandma could do this. Now that we have confirmed our wallet and verified it, we are ready to start receiving the Grass tokens when this project starts to emit them. So now the next step is to set up the community node, and we do that by clicking store. As we can see, we have already downloaded the Grass extension, so we get 1%, but we want that 25% extra. So we're gonna download this Grass community node, click on download. It will give us a step-by-step guide on how to do so. Okay, so we are going to want to download it for Windows. Click on download. We are gonna download it to downloads. Okay, right now I'm in my Brave extensions and I have set it to developer mode. This is very important that you have it set to developer mode. When you download these Grass community node files, they will first come in a zip folder. Make sure that you extract all of the folders, which I have already done, and after doing that you run it as an administrator, and then everything should be fine. Make sure you read through all of the license and agreements, and yeah, this should be the correct message that you get. The operation completed successfully. Bada bada ba. I first tried to run it without extracting the folder and it did not work, so make sure you extract it and then you run it as an administrator. After doing this, click continue. You have successfully added necessary config. Awesome. And all you need to do now is just drag your Grass file into your Brave extension like that, and it should be added. I already did this, so you can see I have my Grass community node right here, and we can look at details. It says that this extension is not listed in the web browser, but that's okay because we just downloaded it. Yeah, so we're gonna update this first. Extensions updated, awesome. Now we're gonna close all of our browsers. I want to thank our sponsor Blowfin for making it possible for me to create content full time. Blowfin is my personal favorite crypto exchange, not just because they are a sponsor, but they are one of the only exchanges that allows you to start trading without going through an extensive KYC process. They offer one of the most user-friendly interfaces that I have ever experienced. Bluefin also offers a welcome bonus for new users of up to $5,000, and you can trade with high leverage up to 125x. Check out Bluefin for yourself by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you, Bluefin. Reopen them. And what I'm gonna do is pin it to my toolbar. Gonna reconnect and desktop. Awesome, so now we can see that we are on the Grass community node. It might seem a bit complicated, but it should be a pretty easy install. If you have any questions or run into any kind of problems, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up in my Telegram group. I have a link for it in the description and in the comment section down below. I would be more than happy to help you out with setting this up. So yeah, with that being said, let's freaking earn some passive income, baby! Woo! Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.